Aggressive internet marketing means full-blown marketing and promotions that exceed any businessman's expectations. A business needs fierce internet marketing. No more, no less. But to make it a low cost? Is that even possible? How can something so aggressive be affordable? Luckily, you can avail of inexpensive aggressive internet marketing if you just look hard and good enough. Be keen and alert and know what's going on in the online industry. The following questions will help you discern if your chosen internet site to do the marketing fits the bill. 1. Does the company offer free website design? Even if you know your HTML, it is still more advisable if a professional team does it for you. Some internet marketing sites offer free web design to make sure that your site's needs are met. It's a must that marketing is integrated into web design. If the company requires you to pay more than $50 for the web design, then so much for straightforward internet marketing. Look somewhere else. 2. How many keywords does your website cater to? Having too many keywords or key phrases to focus on will make your page ranking drop. Creating smaller web pages with content that emphasizes only a few keywords will serve internet marketing endeavor better. 3. How search engine compatible is your website? Internet marketing is coined aggressive only if it is 100% search engine compatible. There are about 10 major search engines online and your site has to work accordingly with them. Find out if your internet marketing site is an expert on search engine optimization. 4. Do you know your competitors? Affordable aggressive internet marketing pushes your business forward by taking note of your competitors. Analysis and evaluation of the competition are mandatory to figure out your shortcomings and advantages over them. If this feature is excluded from your internet marketing plan, you're getting a mediocre deal. 5. How efficient is the monthly marketing plan? Usually, you're asked to pay a monthly fee for the marketing plan. For a marketing plan to be efficient, it must zero in on the following things: web page development, link exchanges, web content, updates, and technical support. Of course, also included are the standard SEO, competition analysis and keyword density. If you've procured the right answers for the previous questions, then you can finally say, now that's low-cost aggressive internet marketing. Don't miss out on my top 3 recommended simple business opportunities by clicking the links in the description of this video. Like and subscribe. I wish you great success.